Thea, where are we today? Where are we today? We're gonna finally go to DreamWorks Land. The pigeon's gone. The pigeon's gone. So today we are here at Universal to go to the DreamWorks Land and the Epic Universe Preview Center. Yeah? Do you have your Tiny Tornado shirt on for Twisters? Yeah? We're hoping she'll play in the splash pad. We don't know. It's actually a beautiful day out. There's actually no sun. It's only 80. It's a fantastic June day. Here you are. I have my Twister shirt on as well. Are you gonna have fun today? Yeah? Let's do it. Also, just a construction update since we're here right by across from Starbucks, Cinnabon, and the Billabong store is gone, gutted. I'm not sure what we're putting there, but the Epic Universe Preview Center is where the old Legacy store was, right? That's right. Thea, look what movie's up on this on Cinemark. All right, so here we got the preview center, which is where the Legacy store was, near Antihitos. We're gonna duck inside real quick because it is raining. So they have a whole scaled model in here of the park. Let's go see. See that? That's epic. So Isle of Berk has been announced. All of the attractions in there has been announced. I think Isle of Berk is what I'm most excited for.
Yeah, it's gonna be way cool. So unique. So this is gonna be in Paris?
Yeah. Thea, look. Give him a hug. Oh, I like this kid's shirt. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's cute. Thea, it's still a little too big for you, though.
She might be that size by next year. This is fantastic.
I like this. I feel like you're secretly most excited for Mario. No, not feeling it.
Are you more of a Yoshi kid?
Here, try this one. No.
Like hard pass.
She's like, you already put my hair up in this spout. Don't put anything else on my head. Here, this is your dad's favorite. This is all the exact same merch they have in Hollywood. Yeah.
That's not surprising. Yeah, it's not fast because it's the now.
Toad's my favorite. Thea, should I try to put one on you? Should I put the Toad ones on you? Ready? Put them on!
Yeah, keep it on you. She's not a head hair girl.
You're not. Let's see. How much are they? $25. How much are the Shrek ones that you have on? Really?
Yeah, like genuinely.
Let's put these on and see.
I got it.
Do you see me in the camera? Thea won't join me in wearing them. You put the same ones on as me. We are. Thea, you gotta put one on. So she's like, why are these on my head?
Wow.
It's gonna be like the greatest park ever.
I like the water feature.
Oh, love the water feature.
It's massive.
See the mountain?
Yeah.
That's how far it's like out. So it's going to be, it's called Train Dragon, so it's going to be probably
I mean,
I love how that coaster dips and dives.
I know.
It's not tall, but it's intense.
I think this area will be so unique.
And then there's the entrance for this attraction.
Yeah. And then what's this building? Yeah. Wouldn't you I would love to like put this together. Those miniature models. Here is Donkey Kong's track jumping coaster. You trying to get out?
I'm not super into marijuana, but it's
You're gonna have so much fun on the water boat ride. That one that they're just showing up there. Oh, the show. The show is gonna be fantastic.
You did.
Are you excited for the park? So it's raining, and we were supposed to do all of DreamWorks Land this morning, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work, right? We're gonna make it work. Yeah. Let's make it work. Luckily, they have a show. We can do that inside. So we're gonna make our way to the show, but we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough because it is raining. She'd have so much fun in that splash pad. She'd love that splash pad.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay. Look, what's in here, Thea? Wow, Thea. Thea, look, what's this? We gotta spin it. Look, make the cat do that. Thea, do you see the cats? Do you see the cats? Yeah? Wow! You like the cats? Whoa! Look what you just did. What's over there? Whoa! Oh, you did it! It's up there! Little ogre stroller parking.
The roller coaster? That's awesome!
Yes, you see. It's Trolls Trivia.
Is that Poppy?
Trolls Trivia.
Trolls Trivia. Let's win.
What's the question? What's the name? Oh,
It's Mr. Dinkles.
are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, all right. Woohoo! You got it right.
Hey, I don't know if I should be proud of that.
I feel like there's not like a bad seat in here.
I know. It's really great.
Yeah.
I like what they did with the screen and the set pieces.
Yeah. Do you like it too, Thea?
Was it supposed to storm today?
Thea, we're in a tornado.
This place looks really
This way, donkey. I'll find those stairs.
The princess, she'll be up the stairs in the highest room in the tallest tower. Shrek! Donkey! What are you doing? I think we are actually in the story of Shrek. Remember, we used to watch this all the time.
Ooh, what large teeth you have. Do I detect a hint of minty freshness?
It's okay, donkey. You just need to be brave.
I just need to be brave.
pretty good.
I just need to be brave.
Dragon?
A girl dragon? Oh, of course you're a girl dragon. Cause you're just reeking of feminine beauty.
He's doing it.
I'll make it waffle.
Love's out to get me. That's a crazy. Disappointment. Then I saw her face. Now I'm awake. Gwen, on the first day we met, I saw the future of Kung Fu. And the past, I saw the panda who could unite them both. That is why I chose you, Paul. Thank you, Amara. You helped me find my imagination and gave me something to believe in.
Because you finally believed in yourself.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It's going to let me fly.
Look at Bubbles.
I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Make the good breeze up on you. Dance, dance, dance. Come on. All the things I shouldn't do. Yeah, that's a cat in my pocket.
Outside, so I can put your phone.
I thought it was sunny, Nicole. It's still raining.
Okay, how do you want to do this?
Did you like the show? I thought they did a good job, didn't they? Yeah? It's good, it's cute. So 20 minutes. What's on your hot dog? Did it say?
I didn't read it.
Oh. And this is ham and cheese waffle. Nice. Looks delicious.
We're gonna try some Shrek food. Let's do it.
Oh, your hot dog. That like it looks.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
looks
What should we
really-
try first?
Try your waffle first.
Try my waffle. It's not fresh.
Fresh. Dip it in marinara. See if that helps it.
Would you dip that in marinara?
I think that's what they get it for. Or the green cheese. That's so gross.
It's soggy. The flavors are there, but otherwise it's not what I thought it would be.
Dang.
Let's try marinara. It helps a little bit.
That's it. Nice.
Yeah. Just like burnt. Wow.
So good.
You try it. With the cheese. This is cheese?
It's cheese.
It's green cheese?
Green cheese. Or stale.
0 for 2. It's stale, really?
Oh yeah. You kind of stale mixed pretzel. Get ready for this.
Wow. Yeah, there's something weird about that.
It's not fluffy.
It's not. Why is it so like
It's very flat.
smushed? Yeah, that's weird. It'd be good if it was fresh. All right. Next one.
Let's do it.
What's in it? That's it? How does it compare to the cheese-filled corn dog at HHN?
Very stale. It's very real.
Right?
It's completely real.
Is the bun good?
It's along the same lines of a little bit stale. You would like to try it? You're more than welcome to.
All right. Don't get food here.
It's Shrek food. I mean, we need to come again when it's fresher.
Yeah, that's true. Come here. Feel that. Thea. Thea, crawl over here. Thea. Come here. Come over there. Good job. Get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Whoa! There it is. Get it. Oh, you're gonna go get that big one? Whoa! Look at that one. Ooh. Come on! Yeah! I just got my whole bag. So. There's like no safe zone in here.
No, not safe ever.
Whoa! Get it! Whoa! Oh, it's Kung Fu training. Thea, I think there's more water for you to play in. It says you may get wet. Oh, look at that over there, Thea. Wow, this is really good.
You did a really good job. I like the noodle.
Yes.
The noodle caboodle. That's awesome.
The pond of perpetual wetness.
The laundry of ultimate cleanliness.
Thea, you're gonna get wet. Oh, I know you want to play. Whoa, this is intense, Thea. Go for it. Yay! This is literally like made for her.
Can we go get that fountain? There.
It's intense back here. Oh God. What's happening? What's happening? What do you think? Is it a good area? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like the area? You approve? It's so cool. It is. It's really cool. Look at the other babies now having fun in there. Why is it raining again? It's a fantastic addition to the park. And then you can meet Shrek here and Donkey, which is better than that random spot they used to have it in. Okay.
Feels like a rain cloud just sitting on
Yes. Just put some boots. Thea, let's go find you a towel. Oh, have you looked at this? Is like, have you seen their like, what is it? The anniversary merch. It's interesting. Help me find a towel. There's that one, just a universal one.
You want a Hogwarts one, or do you want?
Yeah, that would. I feel like that would be better if I'm gonna have to spend the money on it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Thea, let's go find you. Yeah. Let's go find you a Harry Potter towel. So we're getting fluffy. And then I found the Jaws towel. All the towels are actually in the far corner over there. I found Jaws. Look at my child standing up. Okay, say bye, Thea. That was a good day. All dried up now. Look at you in your Jaws towel. That was a successful day.